welcome to my mansion. I also have a giant stain on my shirt. There's a bear on my television. There's like really cool like things playing out there. There's couches outside. Wow! Okay, what I'm trying to say is that all the people that have the Lamborghinis and the boobs and all the stuff that they're showing you to get your attention, they're real people too. You know, hopefully you can tell that this stain right here is real and I'm real. And if you've seen us, me and this weird dude right here at all on Facebook or YouTube, I have one thing to say to you, okay? We are real people. I wake up in the morning and I put on green sweatpants with another stain on it here and a giant stain shirt. And I work on the company. And the company that we work on is called 9 University. We help people to sell on Amazon and we teach them that if you sell on Amazon, someday this gator can look you in the eye too. Ah! Crazy shit will happen if you click the button below. Excuse my language. Click the button. Seriously, we've seen it happen. I've seen people go from literally living curled up with an air mattress and their puppy and a laptop to traveling the world and proposing to their fiance in Bora Bora. I've seen people go from being named Cornelius. What kind of name is Cornelius, by the way?
By the way, love you, Cornelius.
We love you, but his name's Cornelius, and he decided that he was going to sell on Amazon, and now he's in an RV with his entire family, and all he does is he takes out his little laptop and sells on little Amazon and travels the world and loves it. So I've seen it happen. You click the link. Maybe it could happen to you. Maybe it won't. But you know what? It's going to take some hard work. And you're probably going to have to look at a giraffe.
That's a zebra.
I got no more analogies. Click the link. See you. Bye.